welcome to another video where you join us in France in really hot temperatures. Fantastic. We stayed here overnight. This is a camping area that we've stayed at. As you can see, it's just for camping, like motorhomes and campervans and things. Stayed here for one night. We're staying here tonight as well. Just got our solar panels out and charging our EcoFlow batteries up because we've, like I said, we've been on the road now for about 5 days. Just going to show you what Brooke's doing.
Hi.
What are you doing, Brooke?
We're keeping cool.
Yeah, at the moment the sun's like right above us type of thing, so we're just like keeping cool here for the time being. We'll go to the village later on, go for a walk up there because it's not far from here, but we'll just want to wait till it's cooled down a bit. We've just been for a walk. And then tomorrow we're staying at a campsite, so we've got a lot to do, so Brooke's being proper nosy. Look at this. What are you doing, Brooke?
People watching.
Someone's just pulled up in a motorhome and Brooke's proper like...
Anyone that says they don't people watch, I'm telling you they're lying. Everyone people watches.
So what do we know about our neighbours then?
They're going out for a walk and they've just checked some bikes at the back.
Brooke's sunbathing now. Catching some sun? Is this like a village or a town or?
Oh, a village.
Yeah, a little village. It's like so nice here, and this is just round the corner from where we are.
Really quiet.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Food time. So we're having mozzarella dippers for starters, and I'm going to make some sausages, and we're going to have like some hot dogs.
Morning! So it's another hot one today. So we're moving from here and we're going to another air and we need to charge the EcoFlows up. So Tom,
yeah, well, we put them on the solar yesterday. We're well camping again tonight, and it says that there's electric there, like you pay like a couple of euros, whatever. But we need to be certain that we've got some charge in here. So while we're driving, we're just going to charge them up. So. Just in this pulling point here, so it's got some toilets, and I think we're going to just make some dinner while we're here. So this is where we're parking for the night. I'm going to show you the view that we're going to have for tonight just behind there in a second. But good thing about here is you can actually, how much is it?
€2.
So for €2 we get a token, and then It provides electric now.
You can also do your waste and fill your water up as well.
Right, what I need to do first of all though is check that our electric hookup will actually reach to there, because if not I'll have to pull forward, so let's do that before we do anything.
Go on then.
And then I'll show you the view that we've got behind there.
This is where we are, and there's the stop.
First thing we need to do is check that that's going to fit in here. And it does. It took us quite a few takes to do that bit, because I brought like the European one out, then I brought another one out, and it's like, oh right, it's not going to fit, but it actually fits the UK one, so...
See if it's long enough.
That's what we need to do.
Then we'll buy a token.
There we go, so... So what we're doing, we've put the electric in. Now we need to charge the battery packs up, but what we're going to do here is we're actually going to see if we can plug the fridge into here, turn the fridge on. There we go, we have power to the fridge. Now we just need to get the EcoFlow batteries, get them charging up, and yes!
It's just a laid back vibe, baby. Straight up. It's just a laid back vibe, baby. Straight up. It's just a laid back vibe, baby. Straight up. It's just a laid back vibe, baby. Straight up. It ain't nothing but a laid back vibe.
About this spot that we're at, it's in the shade, isn't it? And you know, because it is really warm out there. Right, it's food time. I'm now gonna cook one of our pizzas than the Yorkie Pud base that we've been doing, so...
You won't let me in!
Oh yeah, Thor wants his food as well, so we're gonna feed Thor and then it's food time, so... Morning everyone. Well, what a peaceful night's sleep we had. How did you find it here?
Yeah, it was lovely.
So what do we need to do today, Brooke?
We need to go food shopping.
Brooke's hair's everywhere.
Food. And then we're going to a campsite tonight because my hair needs doing.
Yeah, we're going to a campsite. We know this campsite because we've seen it before, we've done some research on it.
Before.
Yeah, we've never been to France before.
Yeah, but you said
in
I know
fact,
all these campsites.
do you know what? This is actually the first campsite that we've ever stayed in abroad.
Yeah.
It will be, won't it? So
just to point out, I may not have washed my hair, but I've had a wash every single day.
people don't need to know you've had it. People know we keep clean, do you know what I mean? You don't just like...
Oh, I'm just telling you.
We keep clean. We have ways of keeping clean. We do have water on board as well. When I get to the campsite, I'm actually going to show you as well how we've been like using water and things, because obviously we have a system that we use. So anyway, right, I'm going to show you one more view of this river here, and then we're going to get on the road. Oh yeah, and how much is it? It's
94 cents.
Letting everybody know we're at the campsite, just getting everything ready. Do you know what, if you want to see more about what we're doing and getting everything ready and staying here for one day, you'll have to hit that subscribe button and keep an eye out for the next video.